You're not lazy, you're not broken, but you are stuck, and here's why. Every morning you tell yourself, today will be different, but by 9 a.m., you're already scrolling. By noon, you've avoided every hard thing, and by midnight, you feel like a failure again. Here's the truth no one tells you. It's not a motivation problem. It's a dopamine problem. Social media, junk food, constant notifications, they've hijacked your brain. You're wired to chase quick comfort, not long-term growth. You're not weak, you're distracted. But you can break the loop. Start with one hard thing every single morning. Not a full routine, not a perfect plan. Just one thing that makes you uncomfortable. Cold shower, 10 push-ups, writing in a journal, walking in silence. That one action signals to your brain, I'm in control now. And when you choose challenge over comfort, you don't just change your day, you change your identity. You'll feel something you haven't felt in a while. Momentum. So stop waiting for the perfect moment. Do one hard thing now before your brain talks you out of it. Because you're not stuck. You're just distracted. And the only way out is through.